FireKrome works best when applied over a high gloss base. I chose a good quality clear I found on Amazon. Unlike our silver lightning paint, a gloss black base is not necessary, but it does help with the reflection. I applied a second coat of clear just to be sure, and always follow the manufacturer's instructions on their product. Allow your clear coat to fully cure, otherwise heat from the flame may affect your results. Always, and I mean always, use nitrile gloves when handling FireKrome, otherwise it will stain your fingers. Brushing works fine. You can also spray FireKrome, and you can dilute it with distilled water. You only need to apply 2 coats of FireKrome, no more and no less. Once the first coat has dried, you're ready for the second coat. And here is where the magic happens. Use quick, sweeping motions back and forth across the object, keeping your flame close, but be mindful not to overheat the base. Take your time. It's not a race. Once FireKrome has transitioned into chrome, stop flashing it with the torch or you risk bubbling the finish, as you can see right on the crown there. If you do ruin the finish, not a problem. You can actually wash off the entire finish with mild soap and water and start again. We highly recommend you protect FireKrome with a clear coat finish, otherwise you will have durability issues. Check out our website at firekrome.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please click and subscribe.